That's not what you want to do. You want to start from the beginning. So, come on stage. So again, things that I teach, I show, that's the walk, is very confident. For my shows, and honestly for every time that I do Runway, I connect with the audience. That's how you get people, it's a show, right? So me looking at you is me connecting, you felt it, right? That's what you really want to do as a model. Now there are some shows that they don't want you to do that. So you give all that feeling to straight ahead because that's the camera, that's what they're getting. But there are shows, again, that are different types of shows that are fun, more, playful, and, the audience is really family and friends. So you really just want to give that to them, give them the actual show, right? So I would love to see you guys walk, whoever wants to start. So definitely, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Practice at home, practice in front of the mirror, utilize your own phone, record yourself, it's definitely helpful. Remember to keep your head up, they're looking at you. I know sometimes it's nerve-wracking on stage, a lot of people, it's okay. The more you practice, again, it's easier. So remember to keep your head up, they see when you're looking down, the picture sees when you're looking down. And then you really got to think about, at the end of the runway, you got to hold your pose long enough, even if you're moving, even if you're doing a move, at some point, hold it, because then you get that picture. Then you can walk off. The movements, I mean, again, some of those pictures can come out nice, but really depending on how good the photographer is at the end of the runway, he could get you moving, and then that's it, that's your picture. You don't have a picture in that design, you don't have a picture for yourself in your portfolio, and then it's just like kind of pointless for that whole walk. Any questions?
Can we go one more time?
Yes, of course. Everyone, we got a runway. Yeah. Definitely.
JRM, and I'm here with some of the models today. We did a session with Blue Coach Modeling. They had a lot of fun. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
You guys had fun? You guys enjoyed yourselves?
Yeah.
All right, getting them all ready. There you go.
Tap into Blue Model Coaching, Jamila Reine Models. Like I said, they have a casting, so if you want to be a part of an agency, this is the one for you. Anyway, I love you guys. Stay tuned for what we got in store.